I just turned 25 this month. I had a small yet most enjoyable celebration. And as you age, you want to celebrate your birthday in the most minimal way possible. मुझे लगता है कि जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होते हैं, your focus shift from celebrating the milestone to actually living the milestone. ये 25 साल क्या बोलूँ. I remember everything, but when I was of age 8 or 9, उसके बाद ही, but उससे पहले everything about me stored in memories. Like this, my first ever official photograph. Actually इसके पीछे डेट भी है. It was taken on 19th March 1988 and I was 8 months old at that time. And मुझे पता है कि वो ज़माने में फ़ोटो खींचना एक बहुत ही अलग माहौल बनता था. यू हैव टू गेट रेडी, नए कपड़े पहनते थे, स्टूडियो में जाके फ़ोटो खींचना, एंड उसके बाद हफ्तों नहीं महीनों बाद ऐसी कॉपीज़ मिलती थी. सो यस, माई जर्नी ऑफ क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स ऑफिशियली बिगन ऑन 19th March 1988 at the age of 8 months. And I think the things which are meant for you, the things which make you happy at this point of life, are with you since your birth. These things genuinely lift your spirit. And the thing which I'm talking about for me was absolutely the camera. This was our first ever camera. And this camera has captured my entire childhood. And by childhood I mean my first day at kindergarten, our first house, our first pet, everything which I have no memory was captured by this. And मैं सोचता हूँ अगर ये छोटी सी चीज़, ये कैमरा अगर वो ज़माने में नहीं होता तो I would have missed a lot of memories. Memories like me celebrating my birthday, my first day at school, my first day sitting in a rickshaw. This would have been just locked in words and there would have been no way to relive those memories. ये छोटी सी चीज़, ये कैमरा ना होती. This 25 years of my life have been an amazing story for the audience of one, that's me. And the things which make me happy, the things which have helped me in the smallest aspect of my life in these 25 years have been knowingly or unknowingly growing up with me. And growing up का मतलब है the love of cricket. I mean बचपन में हम में से किसको सचिन तेंदुलकर नहीं बनना था. Cricket was everything for me at that time. And वैसे जैसे the love for sunglasses, the love for color blue, आज तक वैसे का वैसा ही. What I observed by looking at this photograph is the things which are actually meant for you revolve around you as you grow up. I mean, look at this. Trekking and visiting forts was a part of picnic at that time, but now it is the same thing which I enjoy, and this is the same thing I want to tell the stories to the world about it. Bahar घूमना at that time was very easy, and looking at these pictures, I am damn sure the younger me, the younger Rishikesh, have enjoyed every minute of it. The smile on his face says it all. I am glad that I have hold of these memories, because now I know the exact reason why I enjoy the things which I do now. And as I said, these 25 years have been an amazing story for me. I am glad that I met people with whom I can share similar interest, and I am thankful for this camera for letting me know who I am and how I reach to the thing called passion. So ये रही मेरी कहानी. What's your story?